Hello guys, I have milkfish. So because I miss it, so we're cooking this one, and we have barbecue chicken and hot dogs.
Filipino hot dog.
Yeah, Filipino hot dogs. My sauce, guys.
Hello guys, magmumukbang ako sa guys. I have sauce, tomato sauce, vinegar and soy sauce, and I got barbecue chicken and hot dogs, and I got the bread, not fish. And we got chicken here. Yeah, chicken. Mukbang guys, try lang. Delicious. I like it guys. Tastes good. You know guys, I miss this. Milkfish. Daddy. Tastes good.
Yeah, do you have a milk?
Look at my baby guys. See? He can't wait to mommy guys. That's why he want to feed himself. He wants to feed by himself guys. Here. Milkfish. Here. Here. I want to feed by himself guys. He's a big boy guy. Hey again guys. Really yummy. Yummy guys, really yummy. I like it guys, yummy. Instead I want to eat serious. My baby's here. Oh my god guys, I want to feed my baby milkfish, and then I make it sure if no bones, because they have 1,000 bones here. Charot lang guys ha. Char lang yan guys. Yummy. Hello guys, my baby's here guys, so I want to feed him too guys. Let's go, let's eat. Only mommy and baby must can eat mukbang here. Let's go guys. Charan, he eat chicken guys. Charan. Yummy hot dog. But we don't have just wait guys ha. We're here again. I like tomato. Wait. My baby wants to eat more guys. Yay! He ate chicken guys! I love it guys!